5. Kargil's temperature was recorded in a week from Monday to Saturday. All readings were in arithmetic progression. The sum of temperatures of Monday and Saturday was 5 degrees Celsius, more than the sum of temperatures of Tuesday and Saturday. If temperature of Wednesday was negative 30 degrees Celsius, then find the temperature of the other 5 days. Now, we'll start with the solution. The sequence is in arithmetic progression. So this is already given in question. Now let the temperatures from Monday to Saturday be a minus 3d, a minus 2d, a minus d, a plus d, and a plus 2d respectively. Now the temperature on Wednesday is 30 degrees Celsius. So here Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. Wednesday is a minus d. Therefore a minus d is equal to 30, which is given. We will call this as 1. Now the sum of temperatures of Monday and Saturday. Is equal to sum of temperatures of Tuesday and Saturday. Plus 5 degrees Celsius. Now, the sum of temperature of Monday and Saturday. The temperature of Monday is a minus 3d, plus Saturday is a plus 2d, is equal to temperature of Tuesday is a minus 2d plus Saturday is a plus 2d plus 5. Now here a plus a will become 2a, 2d minus 3d, so this will become negative 1d, which is equal to a plus a, again here this will become 2a plus 2d will get cancelled with negative 2d plus 5. Now again this 2a will get cancelled with another 2a, and therefore common difference is equal to negative 5. I will call this as 2. Now this substitute value of d in equation 1. So therefore substituting value of d in equation 1. Now we will substitute this value of d in equation 1. Actually this temperature is negative 30. So the first equation is a minus d is equal to negative 30. But now value of d is negative 5, which is equal to negative 30. So this negative into negative will become positive, and this positive 5 on another side will become negative 5. Therefore a is equal to negative 35, which is the first term of the sequence. So we will call this as 3. Now by substituting values of a and d, we will get the temperature of all days of that week. Therefore, substituting values of a and d from 2 and 3, temperature of day 1 is a minus 3 times d, which is equal to value of a is negative 35 minus price of common difference is negative 5. So this will be equal to negative 35 minus negative into negative, so this will become positive. 3 5s are 15. Subtraction of 35 and 15 is 20, and greater number sign, so this will become negative. The temperature on Tuesday, that is a minus 2d, this will be equal to 35, negative 35 minus twice of common difference, that is negative 5. So this will be equal to negative 35, negative into negative, this will become positive. 2 5s are 10, is equal to negative 25. On third day, it is a minus d, which is equal to a is negative 35 minus common difference is negative 5, negative into negative, this will become positive. So this subtraction is negative 30. On fourth day, it is a, which is equal to negative 35. On fifth day, it is a plus d, which is equal to negative 35 plus negative 5, that is equal to negative 40. On fifth day, it is a plus 2d, which is equal to negative 35 plus twice of negative 5. So this will become negative 35 minus 10. So this addition is 45 and greater number sign, which is negative. Therefore, the temperature at Kargil for the week where negative 20 degrees Celsius, negative 25 degrees Celsius, negative 30 degrees Celsius, negative 35 degrees Celsius, negative 40 degrees Celsius, and negative 45 degrees Celsius respectively. Now I'll start with question number 6. On the World Environment Day, tree plantation program was arranged on a land which is triangular in shape. Trees are planted such that in the first row there is one tree, in the second row there are two trees, in the third row three trees, and so on. Now we have to find the total number of trees in the 25 rows. That is, we have to find S25. So we'll start with the solution. Now this land will look like this, which is triangular in shape. So there is one tree in first row, two trees in second row, three trees in third row, four trees fourth row, five trees in fifth row, and so on. Now there is one tree in the first row. Therefore, A is equal to 1. Now, the number of trees increased in consecutive row. Is 1, therefore D is equal to 1. Therefore, this is an arithmetic progression. Number of rows are 25. Therefore, value of n is 25. Now, we have to find S25. For this, we will use formula of Sn. Therefore, Sn is equal to n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is the formula. I will substitute the values as value of n is 25. So this will become S25. N upon 2, that is 25 upon 2. Choice of A, there is only one tree in first row, therefore value of A is 1 plus n minus 1, that is 25 minus 1 times D, common difference is 1. So this will be equal to 25 upon 2. And the remaining terms in bracket are 2 plus 25 minus 1, that is 24 into 1, that is 24 only, and 25 upon 2 into 24 plus 2, that is 26, and half of 26 is 13. This product is 325. Therefore, number of trees are 325.